American Government. How does that work? By Allison Valor. Why we gotta learn this? Well, because Georgia said so. See? The state standard wants you to be able to describe the elements of representative democracy in the United States. That means knowing the names of the three branches of government and what they do. The three branches of government are the legislative branch, which is broken up into the House of Representatives and the Senate, the executive branch, which is mainly the president, and the judicial branch, which is all of the courts. Executive. Mr. President! Mr. President! The executive branch is made up of the president. It is also made up of everyone that helps enforce the laws across the country. The executive branch helps to work alongside the other members of Congress to make sure that all of the laws are being followed. Legislative. Writer's block? The legislative branch is made up of the members of the House of Congress. This branch is involved in writing the laws. Congress is made up of two sub-branches, the House and the Senate. Both are involved in writing bills and making them into laws. Judicial branch. Order! Order in the court! The judicial branch is made up of the courts, lawyers, and judges across the country. They determine if the law is fair, and they also interpret the laws in order to determine if someone is guilty or not guilty of committing a crime. Checks and balances? What about it? Our government is comprised of three separate branches that each do their own individual jobs. However, we have a system of checks and balances instilled in order to make sure one branch does not have too much power. This means the president is not really the head honcho of the country. He has to work alongside Congress and the judicial branch in order to make laws and make major decisions. They all have to work together.